Glass 88883 Glass. Today we just finished an installation. We're in Edison, New Jersey, and I like how it came out so well that I'd like to make a short video and to show you guys what it looks like. This is called the Serenity Corner Frameless Shower Enclosure. As you see, we're using clamps. Everything is in brushed nickel or stainless nickel, and see the bar is square, handles are square. This is a towel bar handle combo, all in brushed nickel to match the inside fixtures. Square clamps holding all the panels in place, and of course notch cuts for the tile work there. And all this glass is all shower guard glass, low iron. It's in 3/8. This series does not come for 1/2 inch. It's just too much weight for this type of enclosure. So this is the more minimalistic design in comparison to the Kinetic series that you'll see is round, really thick bar, and the wheels are like 4 times bigger than this. But as you see, this is an oversized door. It's about 36 inches wide, and I think it moves pretty nice in comparison to its weight and size. And I just wanted to show it off, let you guys see what type of work we actually do here at Exceptional Glass. So if you're in need, give us a call. My name is Ben, Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website. Wait, was that my website? Nope, that was my phone number. Visit our website at njglassdoors.com. Thank you.
Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to click like and to subscribe to see our latest DIY videos on how you can fix your own freaking shower door.
And click a like, thumbs up, or a better spider will crawl on your face.